Hello.
Hello.
Hey guys. How are you doing?
Good, good, good. How are you?
Nice. I'm good. Not too much snow anyway. You still have power.
Yeah, I actually got a shovel after we're done trading here again.
Yeah. Is it snowing still or?
We got some during the night, so yeah, we gotta take care of that.
Big gap down today and then big drop, but I haven't really paid attention to why. Haven't found anything at least.
Yeah, I'm kind of looking at the 4 hour structure here. We're kind of flagging. We're starting to break out right now, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely was a big gap down. I'm not really sure what that was, but we recovered all of it. So we're basically flat at the
Yeah.
open from where we closed on Friday, which I guess is good. Yeah, we're kind of flagging here. Kind of like this to pull higher still.
Yeah. I mean, we swept all the not the whole week, but all the lows from 22nd. What's that? Thursday, Friday lows we swept today, and then in Asia.
It actually was kind of a nice long there at the open there. Hmm. Let's see. Microsoft still held this 245 level that I have.
I mean, first candle, 1 minute candle in Asia was 180 points, and that's after a 100-point gap down.
Yeah.
It's kind of big, but it's like it's on low volume anyway. If you watch the like compared to New York session volume, if you check the volume from Friday night, it's like half of that. Still some volume for Asia, but
No, it's definitely a lot. It's a lot. We had this double bottom breakout here in the Apple.
earnings this week as well.
Yeah, a lot of earnings. Basically all chips, I think.
Well, I'm working with 5 fresh XFAs today.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. Mm,
If I have too much noise in my background, I'm muting every now and then.
yep. 40. Yeah, it looks like everything's pretty much flat from where we closed on Friday. We didn't really move too much. Flagging on the 4 hour. Broke out. This is nice, actually. Pretty nice breakout, yeah. Well,
Yeah. I think I'm gonna try to have some patience during the open today, because never know. After gap down like this, I don't know why it happened even. But we swept all the lows from Thursday, so might get a breakout past Friday highs and then try 26,000 or something.
A GP on Google rejected beautifully. That was really nice. Rejected 30.2. Filled some of that imbalance. Should be able to hold now. Around here, yeah. Morning. Yeah, head and shoulders still
Hello.
in play, but this daily kind of flagging. Looks like we could pull highs to reject this lower high. 186. All right. Yeah, slight gap down on some tickers here as well. Most are trying to recover, but nothing really fully recovered yet. I think I'm gonna look to add charter soon, or maybe probably today actually.
Charter.
Yep.
Is that a flight company?
Sorry.
Is it a flight company or?
Communications company.
Okay.
I think I might add CVX here as well. Kind of like the way this monthly is setting up. It looks kind of good to pull higher, even though it's at 160.
Honestly, hits ours was kind of was over dragged. I'm gonna be honest with you. That was not 20 inches of snow.
No, not 20 inches. We got like
No.
we got at least 12. So
Yeah. It was still dragged though. And it was all soft snow too, so you could just use like a leaf blower or some shit to just get it out the way.
yeah, that's like perfect snowboarding. Snow.
Yeah.
Perfect snowboarding snow.
Did you see people sledding and what is it? Sledding and
The art museum.
snowboarding? Yeah, or the
Yeah.
it was the Rocky the stairs.
Yeah. I did see that.
Morning.
Morning, Smear.
Yeah.
Good morning.
That's
It
horrible.
is.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad, but
Yeah.
having to
Uh,
shovel all that snow is not fun.
Yeah, that shit was bad. I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot.
Yeah, I do have to go and shovel it.
I need to do that too, and after this.
Oh, we got to shovel again?
Yeah, I mean, I was
We
shoveling
s-
like 4 o'clock yesterday. I mean, it continued to snow for the rest of the night, so.
damn. I didn't. I don't think I started until like 4 p.m. because our roads didn't get plowed until really late. So I was like, we're not going anywhere. So what's the point of shoveling? And then my mom was like, "No, we got to shovel." I was like, "Oh, okay."
Okay, your mic, Rich. Yeah, I really wanted to add Netflix, but it's already at $86. I preferred it to be added at like 80 to 83. So I wonder if we're gonna get a re-entry for that, but whatever. It's fine, I guess. Alright, we have open here in 2 minutes. Let me actually look at my NQ chart. I have not looked at that yet.
We are right on the breakout from. There we got a little push.
Yeah, it looks quite strong for right now. No, I didn't get to add Netflix last week. I was being a bit picky with my entry. After this earnings, it was sitting at like $80, and I was like, oh, maybe it'll come back to 80. And then we didn't. And we pull up to 83. Oh no, I wanted to add it, I think Thursday. No, Friday. I wanted to add it Friday off the open when it was sitting at 83, and then it ripped like $2 off the open. And I was like, okay, never mind. So now I'm kind of just waiting. But I still like it overall for the long term. Just I'm picky. Picky with my entry. But yeah, I like the chart setup for Charter and CVX. Kind of like how that's setting up. I think PayPal's already up a little bit, actually. Yeah, we're up a little bit on that. I think our entry's decent. I think we could have maybe one more leg down on PayPal, but I don't think it'll be a lot. Here's the open. I'm taking my buy right now on Charter and CVX.
I thought it played out perfectly what I thought. Short off the open. Because we're in that little bit of resistance.
Yeah, we took the day's high and then
And it tanked, yep.
could get a nice push down here.
Should give you up retest here.
I just
There
didn't
it
think it was
is.
gonna happen that quick.
Where's sweep up on NQ? 710 or something?
On NQ is at 650
650.
or 647. Might be volatile week.
Again,
Maybe we'll see.
Jesus.
I think I'll go back to regular size though. I don't think I'll be on 3/4 size. I guess no, we'll see. We'll see. I'll give it some time. We don't have any data this morning, so we should be good. We do have FOMC on Wednesday though, so that is obviously going to be the main catalyst for this week.
Perfect time to full port my account.
Nvidia relative strength off the open today. Same with Google.
I think we're gonna push 800s. I have a level at like 80, 800 to 810. Been hit it a couple times.
Got filled up my charter position. Alright, there's my buy on CVX. I might add more on CVX later, but if we get a better entry, maybe like 140 or so, I'll take another ad.
This motivates me to never, have throwaway money. The one time I don't have throwaway money, you're taking 9 different positions. Is that Hugo?
Pulling up here. Looks good. Looks good.
Currently on last week's high on ES.
Yeah, we're at resistance here, 191. This is our breakout level though. Like above here, we should have room to pull all-time high, I think. If we get a daily close above here anyways.
ES didn't fill its gap yet. 69.76. Rhymes pretty good if Nasdaq hits like 800, 810.
Yeah, I think 840 is my next level up. Previous hive day, yeah. Friday's high. 840, yeah. That was our level there. Gonna leave Netflix open. Let's see if I could get a buy entry. If it dips down a bit, I'll take a buy. I don't really want 85 though. Nvidia, Google, AVGO leading this push. Apple's stalling a bit, Microsoft stalling. Meta doesn't look great. It's okay looking.
The 10 points higher in NQ for a short, but didn't really get.
Yeah, some tickers are retesting here. We maybe set up in a 1-minute flag here. This is directly at resistance though, just my only concern, but I don't mind. It's up to 840. Maybe if tickers could backtest a little bit more, so we could get a slightly lower entry. Don't hate this. Maybe overnight high retest with VWAP and 9 EMA sitting just below that. That could be my long spot. We also could see a lot of pre-earnings run up this week as well, with earnings on most earnings, I think Wednesday, Thursday. So you could see a pre-earnings run up. I think we're gonna pull the high here. I think tickers look kind of good here. Got sold a bit. That was our long entry there, if we were looking long. Which I kind of missed a little bit there, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I kind of missed that. It's unfortunate. No, come back.
Oh my
This is
god,
what a
it's
push.
high as shit too.
We're at gap close here at ES.
Wow, that worked exactly how I wanted it to. Why did I not take it there?
It was quick too. I don't blame you.
It was quick, but there was time to take it there. Definitely could have. I was paying attention to other tickers. I wanted VWAP tap on NVIDIA. Wow, that was such a nice push. That was exactly what I wanted. That 1 minute flag to 4 minute break.
Some volume coming in.
Yeah, that was a quick little dip right there.
I had like 8 tens as a little short area, but it came up a bit too much with too much volume for me to like it. Like that breakout candle.
Oh, nice hits. That was the exact entry I wanted there. Honestly, would have just taken full right that at that. What is that? Yeah, 820. Yeah, 50 points. I do have a level there, but yeah, super close to previous high day there. So I guess it makes sense to hold up to there. Break even stops on or slightly in profit. Makes sense for me right now.
Nice hits.
This looks like it could still probably continue here. We're just creating a higher low on the 1 minute for right now. Structure still looks good across all tickers here. Super strong. Probably would not look to really go against this just yet. Yeah, hits. That's exactly what I was looking for, the retest there. Really like that entry actually as well. 770 was quite nice, but I was, whatever reason, I was looking at NVIDIA to retest VWAP and then take my entry, but I guess I was being picky with that. But no, I really like that. Pulled below the lows on the 1 minute as well. So, yeah, really nice. Really, really nice. This still looks good.
I was thinking about re-entering too, but I was just like, it's a little iffy, and I don't really understand the setup.
Yeah, that 1 minute candle after the pop up was kind of interesting. It got sold super hard, down to like 770 again.
Yeah, like in a second. Little scare candle.
Yeah, it still looks good though, based on tickers. Nothing really showing any weakness here. We should be able to pull a previous hive day.
Yes, closest gap now. At least. The gap down from 16th. What is that? 2 weeks ago.
I guess it's possible to look short at previous hive day for a micro scalp. Or maybe we could just long it up to previous hive day. We could do that too. It's 25 points. That's not great. About a 1R there. Retest on the 1 minute there. Higher low. See if we actually close this candle below this 625 level I have. This could get sold here actually. Still looks good across the board though, based on tickers. Nvidia sold. Opening candle inbounds here on the 5.
I kind of like a long here, but
Yeah.
ES looks like it wants to sell.
Yeah, backtest a bit. That's kind of what I'm waiting for right now. Nvidia's gonna fill that 5-minute imbalance from the opening candle. Might pull the previous low of day there as well, actually, maybe. Unless it holds this imbalance.
Yeah, there was a pop there. Came in some buyers. ES looked weak there for a second, but then it just popped. Someone bought in.
I don't mind
Yeah,
this a little bit lower. But if we kind of form a 5-minute flag here, it would be kind of nice. And then I think we'd actually set up for a pull above previous high of day here, up to 900, I think. Nvidia previous low of day here. Is that support? Yeah, kinda looks good. Looking good to pull higher. Should take out that 40. We might be able to run straight through the 40, I'm not gonna lie. I actually don't think a long here even is still late. Depends on how we close here, obviously, in the next 5 minutes, though. Or 3 seconds.
I took a short at 23 with 20-point stop loss. Yeah, looks like it's coming in some volume here. The pop probably. Yeah, I'm stopped up.
And there's previous hive day there.
Yeah. Bit bad going against the trend here, I think.
Yeah, I think for me, I would have preferred for this level to get taken out first, and then short. Yeah. Yeah, for me, based on how tickers are moving, nothing is even attempting to pull back yet. Across the board, all tickers are quite strong here. I don't know why I'm hesitating so much today. I've been liking the long the whole time. Even at the 20s, I still liked it.
That 70 level when you mentioned it's really nice for the long. That would be great, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Would be great. Yeah, this would be probably your ultimate target here. Previous hive day. Final exit, so that would have been 80 points or so.
Generational wealth.
Yeah, not really sure how we'll react here though. Yeah, but ultimately, I probably would like to short around this area, if anything. For a retest, anyways. I think we could still pull higher, but yeah, we have the same idea, Carlos. Based on tickers, though, it still kind of looks decent. Mainly Google's leading this poll now. I guess I would probably prefer to short this. Although trend still looks decently strong for right now.
Yeah. ES is tilting down a bit. Can change fast though with a big sell volume though in ES compared to the two previous candles.
Yeah. For whatever reason, I think today is the day we actually break this structure, though. That's my only concern.
I think there's gonna come in volume here.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out where my long entry would be. Still a lot of buying here overall, so. But I'm not really sure where I want to long this. Because one little pullback or small retracement would most likely take our stop if we decided to long here. Yeah, I kind of don't mind 900 though. $30, 800 stop. It's not terrible. 830 isn't that bad, but hey, we are kind of basing here at this previous high of day, which makes sense.
I like shorts here with stops at like 850, but I did 2 attempts already, so I'm out. A bit eager, I was a bit early.
Sorry.
Maybe. We'll see.
Give yourself some time to reset.
Yeah, I'm at the daily loss limit, so I'm
Oh,
not
okay. So you're
taking
done for
it.
the day.
Yeah, I'm done. It's okay though. I had 4 green days last week, and then this Monday is red, fighting the trend a bit.
It happens.
No stress.
Might be able to pull a little bit lower here. Want Nvidia down to that previous low of day again. Run that liquidity on to 5. Maybe go below that, but
Don't like it. I don't like, or I like this short. What? I think I might take it here. Well, the levels of liquidity on the 1 hour and the 4.
CVD is dropping.
yeah. Retesting this previous 5-minute breakout here. Some tickers retesting a bit. Not seeing any major weakness just yet though. Waiting for Nvidia to take out that liquidity. Maybe I won't though. Now I should be able to take it out. Looks good for that pull.
SPY looks just like flagging, right?
Yeah. I think SPY could still get bought here, and we could still hold this. Yeah, I'm long. 23 entry.
Are you no more contract size?
Yep. So we're gonna look for a pull above previous high of day here into I think 900 here is what we would look for. Look for this flag to continue to hold structure, and then we'd look for a break above the highs. I kind of don't like my entry. I honestly should have gotten a lot better of an entry if I'd been waiting this long for that retest.
I mean, we've been second guessing ourselves for the past like hour or so.
That's fine. Whatever. 23 is fine, I guess.
Yeah.
I think once we actually get the break, we should move pretty quickly up to 900. But I guess near 800 would have been ideal. Almost 20 points there.
Yes, took his highs.
Yeah, I want this to
Just-
flag and break above previous high of day here. Looks good flagging, right? Flagging across
Yeah,
the
you
board. No weakness
might get
really.
it
No
ASAP.
stickers. I'm liking the way this 1 minute is also developing here. We need to clear above 50 though for this to get a real breakout. But it looks kind of decent here.
I didn't even had some.
I guess our entry isn't that bad. 23 is
Yeah.
right at the lower end of the range on the 5 minute close, but yeah, I kind of would have preferred us to get an entry right in those wicks there, like 8:15 or 8:10 or so. Because we could still range here. We could continue to base for a little bit longer and then break out, but SPY's already making its move here.
Yeah, it's coming now.
I like all-time high for a SPY in the next couple of weeks, I think. Maybe this week even, actually, with earnings. All-time highs at 196.09. I'm gonna mark that down. Or 696.09 is gonna be all-time high on SPY. I think that could get taken out within the next couple of days or something like that. SPY's pulling the highs. Need Qs to move here. Tech is stalling a little bit, although it did have its... It had to drive off the open, but we're starting to see a little bit of flip now with SPYs compared to Qs, but flagging on the 1 minute here. I think we should be able to get 50, take out new high of day, and then that probably would be our trim spot, I think. That's going to be 30 points there, which isn't bad. Yeah, I think that was a tough spot to get an entry. I entered basically inside of that momentum candle up. So I kind of got lucky with that trim. Oh wow, there we go. Should take our trim
Oh
here.
my god. I entered more positions on accident. I'm bugging.
Got the highs. Might take half here.
How many contracts are-
Gonna get ready to take half here.
I'm
I
bugging.
think break even stop is valid here, right?
I entered more positions on accident
Oy.
instead of trimming, so it messed up like my average.
It's alright if you get a.
I mean, I'm up, but I mean, it definitely messed up my average.
I think we're okay here. This looks good. There we go. Okay. I trimmed right there. 61.
Unfortunate.
Should be good though. Even with the average in here up, it's
Yeah,
actually fine.
I think full TP for me is going to be 900 psych.
Yeah, this looks good. I might take more off. Yeah, I'm gonna take 3/3 or some more off right here.
Trade, guys.
Thank you.
I have one runner. I probably have it for 900.
Yeah, I got 73 right here on my next one. I'll probably look for
Yes,
900.
please. Thank you.
Or I might just take this here. Um,
We have a little top at 890s.
Yeah, we're almost there.
890s. That's the 16th January's opening candle.
I'm gonna take this here.
Yeah, nice try, guys. Well, I'm done. Locked out DLF for me today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay?
Alright.
Take care.
Be safe, man.
Yep, take care.
Sure.
Bye.
I'm still in for one contract, Alex.
Nice. Yeah, it's good. I think this still looks decent.
Yeah. Just
Think
looking for that
900
9
is
to that
good, yeah.
90. Yeah.
I do have a level here though. It's not bad to just take this here. This is a nice break. We got majority of this move, I'd say. This is kind of like near the end of that flagpole take profit here as well.
Basically,
So
yeah. That took right there.
nice.
300 up
Yeah.
on the day. That's good. I like that. I didn't want to force even my average got well. My average was still good. I was still up on other positions, so I still followed. Still very solid. I liked it.
The averaging actually helped you because you actually got more contracts and then we pulled highs. So it
Yeah.
actually worked in your favor. Yeah, I'm really
started
happy with that.
I started off with 4. My entry was a lot. It was like pretty bad. I got a 30 entry.
Yeah, basically when I alerted it pulled straight to like 30
Mhm.
right there. So it was actually yeah. Yeah, that was a hard
Yeah, it was
entry to
hard.
get.
Yep, it was hard, and I didn't want to take like 7 or 10 points away from that,
Yeah.
from the entry. Yeah,
It was right in this
I mean it
candle.
went down.
Oof.
Yeah, it went down to what 28 or 29, and
Mhm.
still though, like uh, Still hard to take on that 29 because it's already what 6 points away
Yeah.
from your entry. Yeah,
I
but
didn't mind it. I like the setup the entire time, even if the entry was even at the 30s. It looks good for the break based on the 1 minute. Right here, right? Lower high, so we're kind of flagging there. Entry would have been, yeah, right around 30, and then stop would have been at 800 psych, basically a new low. Actually, yeah, I still like that there. And then look to target the highs. Yeah, I have a level here at 886, so this was my final TP there. But yeah, I kind of got lucky on that momentum I bought as it was kind of rising up there, so yeah.
Oh, that was solid.
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
ES looks like it wants to go higher to 7,000 level again.
Yep.
If you see on 5 minutes flagging.
Yeah, like I said, I think all-time high is pretty likely over the next couple days, maybe into earnings or so. But yeah,
I'm glad I didn't short with my Oh no, actually, it would have been valid still. Be short for at the level of liquidity. It was almost.
for me, no shorts were valid today at all. I don't
Mhm.
know about you guys if you were looking short today, but I see no valid shorts. Rules relative strength across all tickers here. Not
It would
nothing really looked weak at all.
have only been like 40 points or so for me if I would have took that short at the where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, nice,
I
Hugo.
was gonna I was gonna short at 47, E47 off the 1 hour liquidity.
Who is that? Who's that emoji? I was gonna say that kind of looks like me, but I don't think that's me.
Are you still in Phoenix at time, Pico?
Phoenix?
Yeah, I think he left like a couple weeks ago, or like a week ago, I think it was.
That's
There's not so
mine?
much
When did I make that? I never made that. Only
Is it
one I
actually?
have is Pal and the money printer. That's funny. Anyways, yeah, I don't know what I'd really look for. I guess better R to R down at 900. Oh, 900 did not get taken out yet. I forgot. Never
It
mind.
did.
Um, yeah, I guess shorts would probably give you the better R to R here, but you would be going against the trend, and then
Mhm.
yeah, if you were looking short, it would probably be for a micro retest, not a full move,
Yeah.
in my opinion.
Yeah, I'm looking at the setup again. I mean, I guess it's valid. Not really. Actually, yeah, it would only been like 30. No. Yeah, it'd have been like 40 points. It would have been valid. It just happened so quickly. It was that I'll screenshot it actually. Where are these pictures, man?
Oh, for the short idea, I mean. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, the retest there was nice. I really like that retest there. Don't ask me what that is. I don't know. I did not make that. I should probably get rid of that, to be honest. Yeah, the setup was clean though. I really like that. If you guys, I don't know
Oh
if you had
shit, it is
questions.
yours. It is yours.
Okay. I was gonna say it kind of looks like me. I guess it was me, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, setup was clean. Nice 5 minute flag above resistance there. I had that level out 125 that we're or 625 we're basing above on QQQ. So pulled up got the pullback down, basically, yeah, towards 800 psych there, and then, yeah, held there on the 5. Got a nice wick. Entry was right at 623, which was actually basically directly at 625 level on QQQ. Or basically the close of this 5-minute candle low. So actually it was nice, but I would have preferred it to be a little bit more inside of the wick. That way our stop would be below the low. Even then it was still below the low, which is okay. So we're looking at that 5-minute flag and then targeting the high, break above the high into 900 psych / one of the levels I had on my chart, which actually, wow, to the tick there almost. Pulled up to the level and then sold. So that was target. Also end of that 5-minute flag pull target as well. So that was also another reason I didn't hold for 900 psych. And yes, relative strength across the board with all tickers. So looked good to me. And I most likely will call it. Unfortunately, you guys did not miss, or you guys did not take this one. A lot of you missed that based on that entry. It was a lot of momentum there from when I took that long. It was right in this 1-minute candle right here, so. But I mean, if you guys see anything, let me know. But for me, I most likely will call it to go shovel snow.
Oh, shit, I forgot to
So-
shovel too.
Yeah, I'll call it. If you guys take anything, definitely feel free to post. And if not, always come back tomorrow. Oh wait, no, I won't be here tomorrow. I forgot. Yeah, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow at 8:30. Well, maybe
don't
I
think I'm
will
gonna-
be here.
I'm not gonna be here on probably on Wednesday. I don't really need to trade on Wednesday, honestly. The market's gonna be super fucking slow. But we'll see.
Yeah, tomorrow I have my doctor's appointment at 8:30. Maybe I'll be here by 9:30. Maybe 10 o'clock. So I'll probably be late. I might be here tomorrow, actually. I might be here. Might just be late or something. Alright,
We'll
yeah,
see.
I'll call
No
it here.
rush.
I'll let you guys know. And I will see you guys later.
Everyone, be safe.
Later.
All right, see you.
We just got done. I literally just got off voice as you were calling me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What the heck? That's fun.
Bro, who took this picture? I was like, this kind of looks like me. I was like, I don't remember taking it though.
I don't know.
That John is hilarious though. Hugo posted it, I was like, what? Or I was like, that kind of looks like me, but I don't remember. Oh, shoot.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we are
Dude,
gonna
I
get it.
love my anatomy professor. She's like the cutest little thing ever. I participated in class, and then she was like, "Thank you so much, Bria." And then as we were leaving, I was like, "Have a good day." She was like, "You too, Bria. Yeah."
Bro.
So cute.